Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding two ticker symbol. One is ticker symbol CCIV, which was up by 10%, and again we predicted the breakout, but I think this is not the end. This thing will go even more. The second ticker is AMD, which was also having a good day today. It was up by 5%, and even after hour it is more than 0.25%. But anyway, both of these tickers can go even more and more. That is why I'm making this particular video. And again, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can always join the community here, because on the community tab here you can see I post daily a lot of posts giving trading ideas. You can see some posts are only for the members. This was for CCIV support, resistance, everything. Then AMD, and again CCIV breaking out. At that point I talked it was 27.3. I said watch for the breakout, and now CCIV is 28.8. So during the day you can see so many charting, support, resistance, trade ideas, so many things. So anyway, if you want, you can always join, and it costs only $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day. I think nothing. So give a try. If you don't like it, you can always leave. So anyway, let's just start. So first of all, CCIV, it had a nice day today because 28.82, and you can see for last few days actually CCIV has been doing really great. So today it started from the bottom below 26, then gradually it was going up, but end of the day, look at the volume here. So good push, because 27.5 was a good resistance area. It pushed a lot, went up, came down, and again end of the day you can see from 340 again some kind of push, and it went all the way to 28.97, close to 29. After hour it is down by only 9 cents, and this thing can really go even more. Looking at the volume, the average volume is 12 million, and today's volume was 19.5 million. So again 1.5 times more volume. So what is happening? Today's market, most of the stocks I saw less volume, but this one was really good. So anyway, so this is CCIV daily candles. You can see it was up by $65, then came down, found a bottom around 17-18, and now it is going up. So let's turn on the lines here, support and resistance. So why it was a clean breakout today? So last time it was around 24.7, and in my community I talked about it. I said okay, establish some position because this will run towards 27.4 for a quick swing trade. So it was there, it was pushing, and today again we know because it will go higher. If I go to 1 hour chart, you can see for last few 1 hour chart it was just trying to push. You see 1 2 3 4 hour trying to push that 27.4. so it was imminent that this thing will break and go higher. Look at the last 2 hours of volume here, big volume. So this thing is doing really great. And the good thing is, if you look at the chart between 30.5 and 27.4, there is no major resistance. So this thing can easily go towards 30.5 area, and I'm more bullish this thing will not end at 30. Maybe it can go all the way to 32-33 area, because last time there was lots of resistance around 32.5 area. So again this thing can really go. But the funny thing would be, if this thing can go even more than 32.5, there is no resistance, and it can fly all the way to 43, 45, 50, who knows. So very exciting. So again, if you're playing with call option, very exciting. If you're playing with shares, again this is a very good one. And today I was playing with some call option. Just for today I was playing with July 16 expiry date with 28 strike price. So that call option was really good. I bought around 150 and I got a profit of $60, almost more than 30% profit. So anyway, that is CCIV. The next one is AMD. Again, you can see here that AMD was up 5%. This is another one I was talking that we need a breakout, and exciting. Why? Because if you look at today's volume, it was 70 million, and the average volume is 36 million. So almost double volume came to AMD. Now let's look at some of the things, very interesting. So let's see AMD here. So first of all, I'm going to move to a monthly chart. So let's start with a month. So each candle is 1 month here. So you see here what has been happening. For last 1 month, 93.9, or you can say 94, was the resistance. It went, hit, came down, and again it took 1 or 2 months, came back, tried to break it, and again came down. So again 94 is like a very strong resistance, but once this thing is broken, this thing will fly. After that, let's move at a weekly chart here. Again, on a week you can see so many candles, so each candle is 1 week, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 candle. They are trying to push 94. It couldn't, it came down, but again, how far it came down? It came down around this area, 73. So again, a very good swing trade opportunity. In case it comes down, maybe it can come down to 87, or who knows, maybe around 73 75 area you get in again, and again you ride the wave towards 94, because I don't think this one will go all the way towards this area, which is around 58 or 60 area. Again, I'm just drawing the lines here because I think if any kind of correction, anything is coming, then this thing can come down to 87 75 area. Look at beginning of the year, it was around 94, then the correction came, this thing came all the way to 73. So again, if there is any kind of extended correction, this thing can come back to 73 74 area. Now the exciting part is, look at back to back 3 weeks. This thing is doing really good, and this week is really super good because you see a big solid candle and this thing is ready to push. Now let's go back to daily chart, and why I'm so excited. Look back to back 3 days, so solid. Look at the volume, so each day more and more volume is coming, and I think it is ready for a push, because once this area 94, or I can say around 95 96, you see the area, right? There are a few days here, you can see it went up, came down, but a clear breakout. If it can go over 99 or 100, there is no resistance, there is a clear blue sky, and this thing can just go up and up and up. But most probably from 93 it can easily go to 100, then it might see some kind of resistance and come back. But again, this is always a very good long-term hold, long-term investment, at the same time a very good one for swing trading. You can see the chart, it comes back to 94, comes down to 87, or maybe comes back to 73. Again, a very good opportunity for making money. Also, they have an earning. The earning date is around 28th of July. And look at the earning here. Sometimes the earning is good, sometimes earning is bad. Again, I'm not gonna talk about earning today, but I'm so bullish. I just wanted to show you the chart here because this thing might get a breakout and this thing can run really well. And look at the volume, the volumes are good. Look at the volume here, the green bars. Whenever there's a big volume, this thing can run really nice. So looking at the volume here, we are here, and if we get more volume, this thing will definitely push. So very exciting. So I'm very excited about CCIV and AMD. And again, not necessary that tomorrow you will see a breakout and it will just double. It might take some time, but again, just looking at the chart, I think both of these stocks are ready to explode and give you some nice profit. You can play with share, you can play with call option. Again, it's up to you. Again, if you want, you can always make some swing trading as well. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can always join the community, and always you can get access to member specific things, because we have been talking about a lot of stock during the day. Support, resistance, this is for Li Auto, this is for Bed Bath Beyond, then we have AMC. So we talk a lot about different stock trading ideas, and if you want, you are welcome to join. So thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.